So hi guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, first thing I will refresh my AdSense dashboard. So you will understand I don't use any screenshot because some people complain. We provide AdSense approval course, AdSense loading arbitration course, YouTube watch time course and YouTube CPM work course. For more information, contact us on WhatsApp. Okay. So guys, now you can see this is my earning and I will refresh it. Today I will earn $128 today so far, and last day I don't earn any dollar. So in 7 days I earn $97, and the last month, if you see this 7 month, because I less work, and in this month I earn $219. Okay, so this is doing AdSense loading. Okay, so here you can see my last balance on last month is $82. Okay, so here you can see that my last payment that I save right here. So guys, if you want to learn, you can contact me. I will guide you how you can do it. I have a complete course about it. Also here you can see today so far I got 894 page views, and my CTR is RPM is 144, and if you see my click 1.8K. Okay, so this is my impression that I got from my ads. So here you can see I get only 36 clicks, and here you can see my CPC $3.58, and here my CTR is 4.03, and this is how I work. And also if you want to learn, you can contact me. I share my number in my intro or in my description, so it will easy for you to do work as safely, so save your website. Also if you want to learn this amount every day, 100 plus, so you can buy my course. I provide support. So here you can see today so far. So here you can see the traffic that come from USA. Okay, from only USA I earn $128. Okay, so also I will, you can see this is the only traffic from USA. In my course you will get tools, also you get so many things. So I will show you my CTR. My CTR from USA, you can see it's only 2% or 2.20%. Okay, so this is how it works. So guys, I hope this video will helpful for you, and if you want to grow your website earning, your AdSense earning, you can contact me. I will share not only method, I will share the course as well. I will provide all the software that you need for doing AdSense arbitration. So thank you for watching this video, and please hit the like button. If you have any kind of question, query, you can ask me in comment section. Also you can contact me.